Hello, today I need to sew some bits and pieces. I've got one order that I've mostly done, I just need to finish off and package it, and then I need to sew some prizes because there is a contest that I'm going to be donating prizes to. Let me get the information up so I actually know what I'm talking about. This competition is being held on Instagram by Ellie, also known as Queen Jelly Beanie. If you're not following her, you should. So this is for her Colour with Bean competition. There are prizes from loads and loads of little shops and small businesses and stuff. And there's stationery. I know she said there's like a lot of earrings. There's loads of different things you can win. So I wanted to donate a couple of prizes as well because I think it's a nice competition. The premise of it is to try and lift people's spirits in these weird times we're in. So the way you enter is, I believe, let me double check. Yeah, so what you have to do is basically colour in something, whatever you want, and just decorate your window so that from the outside going past your house, you can look in and it looks like a really nice, happy window display. So I know a lot of people have been doing rainbows for the NHS. And different things like that. So if you want to win what I'm making today, definitely enter. It's just something happy and something nice to do rather than just sit and watching Netflix, which is what I may have been doing this whole time, and playing Animal Crossing. But today I am actually going to be productive. The first thing I need to finish are these gorgeous long socks. So these should be thigh high. If you're slightly bigger built like me, these will probably come up just above your knee, which is a bit of a shame. I find it really hard to find long socks actually that work. But yeah, so these are fairly long, as you can see, and they obviously stretch. What I need to do is just seal this little bit of lace that I've put around the top. So I'm literally just gonna close it up like that, so then it's like one nice ring around it. So I'm just gonna do that on both socks, and then that's that done. And then for the competition prizes, what I'm gonna be doing is sewing a mask, a scrunchie with confetti in it, and then I've actually already, well, I'm hoping I've already got a pair of socks I can give away. And then I'm also gonna put another scrunchie in just for Ellie to say thanks for organising the competition and everything, because I know she's been in contact with a lot of people, and yeah, it's a nice thing to do, so why not give her a scrunchie as well. So I'm actually going to test this organza, this like white organza, whereas before I've only ever made them in this pink kind of colour. Then I'm also going to cut some stickers up. Cool, let's go. Funny because I've been sewing for like 2 hours and yet I bet the whole video will be about 5 minutes long start to finish. So I have sewn today 2 scrunchies and I've used this white organza for the first time. I think it looks nice. I think I might add this colour to my website. And then I've just made a pink one, which I've made loads of times before. I made this mask as well. So this mask is the same as the one I made in my tutorial, which I'll put a link in the description. So it is reversible. If you want it this way around or this way around, you can have it either. But one thing I've done is I've actually left the sides open this time. So if you're worried about like a filter, you can just put it in. So yeah, I know a lot of people are talking about homemade masks not being effective enough because they haven't got certain materials in them or whatever. So if you want to put your own filter in our masks, I'm now going to be leaving the sides open so you can do that. And then I did manage to find a pair of socks. I found these purple ribbon socks. These are on the website as well. And then obviously you saw me finishing off these socks. These are separate from this order, from the competition prizes. This is an order. Final thing I need to put in for the competition prize are stickers. Okay, so I found my stickers. So I've actually got 4 sticker designs, technically 3 I guess. I've got this one that says my panties my choice and I did it in 2 colours because we love consent. Never underestimate the power of drunk girls in bathrooms with a nice aesthetic toilet roll. And then I've also got my favourite, which are the God is a Woman stickers. Very pretty. I have actually got like these old, basically I rebranded my website. It used to be maudsdesigns.com and I had these nice stickers that I put in every order, but yeah, I don't know what to do with these now, to be honest. That's pretty much everything I've got going on today. I've got to go and post these out. It's probably too late now because it's 5 o'clock and I think the post office is shut. Stickers, scrunchies, mask, socks. So yeah, if you want to learn how to make your own mask, don't forget to check out my video on that, but all the little graphics I made I will put on the blog on my website, which is www.bigpinkboutique.com, and all of this stuff here, apart from these long black socks, which may or may not add, are available to purchase on my website as well, so do take a look. And don't forget, at the minute, every order I am including a free mask. So if you want your own mask, you could literally buy like a pair of socks and I will include a hand sewn mask that takes me like an hour to make for free. I think that's everything I have to say. Stay safe, stay home, wear a mask if you're going outside, wash your hands. Yeah, bye.